Happy Tuesday. In today's video, I am going to be taking you guys along with me to Walmart. So in this haul, I'm going to be showing you guys how I scored this Jergens lotion for just 48 cents and this bottle of all detergent for completely free. Now, the deals are okay right now. Not a whole lot of just moneymaker deals or freebies out there, but we were able to scrape together a haul with 10 items. And you know, the way I look at it, sometimes it's not always the quantity that matters, it is the quality, and these deals are still pretty good. So I'm excited to share this haul with you guys. But before I do, please make sure you guys are subscribed and that you have the notification bell turned on so that way you guys don't miss any of my future hauls, whether it be at Walmart, H-E-B, Kroger, or any of my savings tips. I want you guys to be able to save money right alongside with me, so please make sure you are subscribed. Last week, we did hit the 2,000 subscriber mark, so thank you guys so much, as always, for your support. I really do appreciate it. All right, guys, let's get to shopping.
Okay, y'all, I am super stoked about this first deal. I have been patiently watching, I guess you want to call it the healthy or clean skincare, body care section in Walmart drop. These were like $5 something the other day, and they finally dropped to $2.25 from $8.98. It is the Jason body wash. And the reason I'm so excited about it is because there is an 800 Swagbucks offer, or $8 on Swagbucks when you buy two. So I'm gonna pay $4.50 out of pocket and get back $8, making two of these a $3.50 moneymaker deal. Here is a super easy Swagbucks deal that you can do. Grab two of these Orajel anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste for kids. They are $2.47 each. You will pay $4.94 out of pocket, and then upload your receipt to Swagbucks, where you'll get back 500 Swagbucks or $5, making both free. This offer is good to do 2 times per month. That is per calendar month, so like October 1st to October 31st. I've already done it once, so I'm just gonna do this deal one more time. But you can grab all 4 on one receipt and submit your receipt to Swagbucks for $10 back if you haven't done this deal yet. But like I said, I've already done it once, so I'm just gonna grab 2 and get back the $5 on Swagbucks, making them free. Next, let's do an Ibotta deal with a paper coupon that is expiring this weekend. You want to grab one of these Jergens oil infused enriching shea butter lotions. It is the 8 ounce for $3.48. You want to use this $2 off one paper coupon from the SS10 3 inserts. So that'll leave you paying $1.48 out of pocket, and then you're going to upload your receipt to Ibotta for an additional $1 back, making your final total for this bottle just 48 cents. I'm in the cosmetics section now, and I'm gonna grab one of these CoverGirl Smooth Glide pencils that are marked at $4.44. You can grab any one of the shades that they have there. And so I'm gonna also use a $3 off one paper coupon that we got in this past weekend's inserts. I'm gonna pay $1.44 out of pocket and then upload my receipt to Ibotta, where I'm gonna get back $2. So that's gonna make one of these free plus a 56-cent moneymaker. This is such an easy, low net total deal for those working on finishing up those big Ibotta bonuses. You want to grab one of the Turtles Dark Chocolate Pecan, y'all, for $1. Don't grab this one, the original. It does not work for this rebate. You want to grab the Dark Chocolate Pecan at $1. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents, and that makes one of these candies just 25 cents after rebate. I shared this deal in my last Walmart haul video, but I found one more can, so just wanted to tell you guys about this deal again in case maybe your store has it on clearance as well. This can of Amy soups, it says it's $2.37, but that's the original price. It's actually on clearance for $1. There's a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, giving me a low net total of just 25 cents out of pocket for this can. This is another deal that's definitely going to help me reach my bonuses. So I shared this deal in a prior video that I did for H-E-B, but I figured I would share it here in this haul, as it is an easy deal with a low net total, and it's great for working towards those big bonuses. You want to grab one of these Quaker instant oatmeal cups. They're 98 cents, and there is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making one cup just 48 cents. Let's end this haul with a freebie. Grab one 36-ounce bottle of the all oxy detergent. for $2.97. Use this $1.50 off paper coupon that we got in this past weekend's inserts. You'll pay $1.47 out of pocket and get back $1.50 when you upload your receipt to Ibotta, making it completely free. Alright y'all, I'm all finished up. We got 10 items total, so not a super big haul. The deals have just been kind of but they should be all free and maybe a small moneymaker. So let's head to checkout.
All right, y'all. So I never know what to expect when going to checkout at Walmart, especially when I have paper coupons. Like, are they even going to scan? Do I have to get a cashier to approve them? Or are they going to call a manager to approve them? Or are they just going to make up some rule as to why I can't use this coupon on the spot? Fortunately for me in this haul, everything went so smooth. All of the coupons scanned, no problem, and they did not even prompt a cashier to come over and give the final approval. So super grateful that that was very stress-free for me. And then I went to upload my receipt to the Rebate apps, which in this haul we only used two. We used Ibotta and Swagbucks. And so, of course, since we are doing a Walmart haul, the Walmart receipts are always usually easily read by Ibotta because of that barcode or TC number at the bottom. So Ibotta was able to verify all of my rebates and I got the credit instantly for those. And then I went to upload my receipt to Swagbucks, which I want to remind you guys, if you're doing Swagbucks offers, try to put them on separate receipts. So that way it makes it easy for Swagbucks to find them and give you the credit so that it also doesn't send it into a review. Or also another thing, if you're still having trouble with that, you can upload your receipts through the Tada app. That's T-A-D-A, which it is affiliated with Swagbucks. They are connected, so you can add the offer on Swagbucks and then redeem the offer on Tada. So that seems to help a lot of people, and that's what I prefer to do as well. So I knew the Orajel was going to go through no problem because I had done that deal prior, and it did go through right away on Tada. And then I went to do the Jasons, and the same cannot be said. It said it couldn't find any matches, and I'm not too sure why. So I did have to send that into review, unfortunately, but I'm hoping I get that credit. So if I do go ahead and get that credit, this is going to be almost a free plus $3 moneymaker haul for all 10 items that I grabbed today. So fingers crossed that I have no issues with that and that I do get that credit soon for that. But thank you guys again so much for joining me. That's all I have for today. If you have any questions about this haul, please let me know in the comments. And please also make sure to give this haul a thumbs up if it helped you out in any way or you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.